So without this engine cover on, can you physically tell the difference between an LQ4 and an LQ9? But more importantly, screw all that. This is the Jeepscalade. We ain't even talking LS swaps today. If you follow the channel, you know we post builds, all that other good stuff. And I'm gonna call this one a build. Screw it. You don't like it? Oh well, you'll be all right. It started life as a 2002 Cadillac Escalade, and it's now a Jeepscalade. Still got some more stuff to throw out the back. Been getting our trash out. Just pulled the hatch off. Sketchy as you can see. I didn't really quite do it the best way possible. It'd be all right. Yeah, my door panels. The roof is coming off as soon as I get the back quarter glass out. Chop. And it's fully functional. Yeah. Oh yeah. She blows snowballs and everything. All-wheel drive, 6.0 liter fun. Woo! All right, I probably should have put my safety goggles on. I ain't gonna take it out in the street right now. But yeah, the Jeepscalade. Pretty fun when you got woods and shit behind your house. So yeah, coming soon. I'm gonna go find some trails and shit. Really take this on. Really go have some fun. I need some fucking safety goggles because I don't have a windshield right now. But yeah, I just ran over the hatch. Radio works and everything. Like I said, 2002 Jeepscalade. Coming to a trail near you, like real soon. Real soon.